Hello students, let us read this question. To conduct sports day activities in a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance 1 meter from each other along line AD as shown in the figure 7.12. Niharika runs one-fourth of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs one-fifth of the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. What is the distance between the both flags? And if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So in this question, we have given that there is a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, and we have placed on the line AD, we have placed 100 flower pots at a distance 1 meter from each, and on the x-axis there are lines. So we have to find out Niharika runs one-fourth of the distance AD, and Preet runs one-fifth of the distance AD, and post green and a red flag. So we have to find out the distance between the green and the red flag. So in order to find out the distance between them, first we need to find out the coordinates of the Niharika and Preet. So let us first find out the coordinates of Niharika. So we have given that Niharika runs one-fourth of the distance AD, one-fourth of distance AD on second line. So if we look at the diagram, we can see that a second line. So this line represent our x-axis, and the line AD will represent our y-axis. So if we want to find out the coordinates, so we have given that Niharika is running on the second line. That means we can say that the x coordinate of Niharika will be 2, as she is running on the second line. And we have given that Niharika runs one-fourth of the distance AD, and we have given that the total distance is 100, because we have kept 100 flower pot at a distance of 1 meter, 1 meter from each. So we can say that the total distance AD is 100, and Niharika covers one-fourth of the one-fourth of AD. So we can say that y coordinate of Niharika will be one-fourth of the total, which is 100. So this will be 25. So therefore we can say that the coordinates of Niharika will be 2, 25. Similarly, we can find out the coordinates of Preet. We have given that Preet runs one-fifth of distance AD on 8th line. Using the same concept, we can say that the x-coordinate of Preet will be 8, as she is running on the 8th line, and y-coordinate will be equal to one-fifth of the total, which is 100. So this will be 20. So we can say that the coordinates of Preet will be 8, 20. So now that we have found out the coordinates of Niharika and Preet, we can find out the distance between them by using the distance formula. So according to distance formula, distance between any two point is given by the formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in order to find out the distance between Niharika and Preet, we will use the same formula. So this will be x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now we have the Niharika coordinate as 2, 25 and Preet coordinate as 8, 20. So this will be x1, y1 and this will be our x2, y2. So if we substitute the values here, so this will become x2 is 8. So this will be 8 minus 2 square plus y2 is 20 and y2 is 20 and y1 is 25. So this will be 20 minus 25 square. So NP will be 8 minus 2 will be 6 square plus 20 minus 25 will be minus 5 square. So this will be 6 square will be 36 and minus 5 square will be 25. So this will be 60 root 61 meter. So we can say that the distance between the green and the red flag is 61 meters. We can write here that distance between green and red flag is root 61 meter. Now what we have given is that Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly between line segment joining the two flags. So we have to indirectly we have to find out the coordinates of the Rashmi. So the situation is like we have given that Niharika is here and Preet is here, and exactly between them we Rashmi has to post the flag, blue flag, and we have find out the coordinates of Niharika, which is 2, 25, and Preet coordinates are 8, 20. We have to find out the coordinates of Rashmi. So let us assume the coordinates of Rashmi as x, y. So since we have given that they are Rashmi is at uh, exactly halfway between the line segment. So here we will use the midpoint formula. From midpoint formula, we can say that x coordinate of Rashmi will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 upon 2. Here x1 is this and x2 is this, y1 is this and y2 is this. So x1 will be so x is 2 plus 8 upon 2 and y will be 25 plus 20 divided by 2. So this will be 2 plus 8 which is 10 divided by 2 which is 5 and y is 45 divided by 2 which can be further simplified as 22.5. So we can say that the coordinates of Rashmi are 5, 22.5. So therefore we can say that the position where Rashmi should post her flag is fifth line on the x-axis and 22.5 on the y-axis. So this will be our final answer. In this question, we have used the concept of distance formula and midpoint formula to solve the question. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.